Hey now, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping in to hang with me for a bite. Y'all, today got an Italian sub. Got some lettuce, tomato, hot and sweet peppers on here. What's on here? I think ham, turkey, salami, cheese. So yeah, get you a bite. Really good. How's everybody's weekend going? It is Saturday as I'm filming this. Just came back from the farmer's market getting me some grub. Well, this sub. This all had my jaw pop. I noticed I've been eating bread again. I gotta watch myself. My drink today is some spring water. Yeah. So, I have nothing planned for today. I need to find something to do. Oh. These are gluten-free Utz chips. They're very good. They really taste the same. lot of people think gluten-free is going to be all nasty, but excuse me. Forgot to put my pickle on here. Okay, just wanted to do a quick little something to be able to upload. Yeah, I hope everyone had a great weekend. I hope everyone is enjoying Monday and Tuesday so far, because it will be Tuesday when you see this. Like this video if you like the video. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And stay safe. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.